The Wicked Sorcerer and the Princess. Years ago, in a certain kingdom, there was a very beautiful princess. There was no any other girl in or out of that kingdom as beautiful as the princess. He surpassed all the girls around in her beauty. She was tall and lean. Her blonde, thick hair curled down to her waist and was very shiny. Her white complexion added to her beauty a simplicity. When she walked, it seemed to the viewers that a swan was swimming in a pool. Her costly and beautiful costumes were nothing when compared to her prettiness. She was that much forward. She was a dream of all the youths in the kingdom. Once the princess was sauntering about in the royal garden. She was alone in that evening. She was very particular in keeping away her maids from her privacy. When she was standing in a garden, the sorcerer happened to see her. He was very much infatuated by her beauty, and he wanted to abdicate her. He jumped over the compound wall to the garden and sprinkled some magic powder on the princess. Suddenly, she became a rabbit. He caught the rabbit by its ears and put it in a cloth bag and walked away very fast from there. The king was very much worried for the lost his daughter. His men went to all the nooks and corners of the kingdom in search of the princess, but every attempt was in vain. At last, the king proclaimed that the princess would be given in marriage to the person who found her. Therewith, he promised half of his kingdom. Many youths came forward in the thought of marrying the princess, and all of them failed in their search of finding her. The prince of the neighboring country came to know of the princess' disappearance. He came to the palace riding on a white horse. He got permission from the king and rode away on horseback. When it was dark, the prince came to a forest. He wanted to take rest somewhere near that place. He saw a small cave under the foot of a large hill. He rode to the cave, holding a rag torch in hand. The prince entered the cave, dismounting from his horse, and walked deep into it. He was amazed to see many cells on both the sides of the cave. He went deeper and deeper. At last, he neared the last cell. He heard a rabbit praying in human voice, and he neared that cell. When he peeped into it, the rabbit told him to run away from there for his life. Otherwise, the sorcerer would kill him. It said that it was the princess, and what happened to her. The princess told him that the sorcerer's life had been kept in a special apple that stood 7 hills beyond, and so it was not possible to kill him. But the prince was very stubborn. in his mind, and he set out for the apple. At last, overcoming many difficult obstacles, he found the apple tree and plucked the apple. He took it back to the cave and broke it in the presence of the sorcerer. Suddenly, the wicked sorcerer died. The princess was released from the cell and she got her own figure back. When the sorcerer died, together they returned to the palace and the king kept his words.